Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out a variety of hair transformations. So first up, we have someone doing a bit of a big chop. So she ended up getting a cute little pixie cut, baby bangs in the front. Oh, I absolutely love this. So chic and stylish. She looks absolutely amazing. And then we see this gorgeous blonde pixie style. This pixie has so much height and volume at the crown. This is just so cute. The stylist did an amazing job with the overall shape and texture he created. And the color, of course, looks amazing. Next up, we have a long to short transformation. Oh, beautiful lob haircut. Her hair has so much body and fullness in it as well. Gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. And they decided to switch it up to this very cute bob. And then we have a hair color transformation. Oh, she's getting like a shaggy haircut. Nice bangs in the front. The color looks bold and beautiful. And then we have someone else who decided to big chop. Wow. Oh, I absolutely love this transformation. She went platinum. Gorgeous asymmetrical pixie. Wow, what a switch up. Very unexpected. And then we have another long to short transformation. Looks like the stylist might be doing another bob. Gorgeous, absolutely stunning classic bob haircuts. And then we see a color transformation. Oh, looks like she decided to go burgundy. And this is a very popular hair shade that we're seeing this year. Very nice. And then we have a transformation by Westa's hair. Looks like he's adding in some bangs. More of that like fringe style with curtain bangs on the side. I really like the jet black color she has. This is really pretty. Nice wavy texture added as well. Let's refresh the color and clean up the cut. Now, I really like this bold red. Ooh, yes. So she got more of like a shaggy bob or shaggy pixie bixie style. And then we have someone else going bold red. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. It's like a strawberry red. So pretty. Alright, you guys, I hope you got some inspiration from today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.